few days ago, I got an email from one of our viewers with follow-up pictures. And the transformation of her nails is really, really significant. So I wanted to share that with you because I know a lot of you are struggling with your nails, and that probably will give you hope and hopefully will help you to keep going with your consistent care. So anyway, so she emailed me back in June, the end of June of last year, so 6 months ago approximately, and this is what she writes. I never had strong nails, so I tried a bunch of different things: gel polish, builder in a bottle in the past. I've also had solar nails, so acrylics, for 3-4 years. The reason I did this because I never liked the way my nails looked. However, I really want beautiful bare nails. I had some builder in a bottle done a few months ago, but they came off very easily, especially on the edge of my nail, due to my nails being so thin. I really would like to know what I can do to make my nails stronger, keep the skin around it soft. They used to cut the skin around my nails, the Russian manicure, but I'm not a fan of it as well. I'm not a fan of long nails since I work on the computer and go to the gym, but healthy nails and the skin, healthy skin is all I want. Hopefully you'll be able to help me. So I actually made a video about her nails, and you can see it. I'm going to link it below, but now I wanted to show you the progress. So this is the before. As you can see, irritated skin around the nails, quite a lot of damage. And I give you the proper assessment in the video that I'm going to link below, and also my advice. Oopsie. You can see here some onycholysis, definitely dry skin around the nails, the nail quite damaged and overfiled, and this is her nails now. So the skin looks much healthier, the nail plate, and look how much longer her nail bed is. And the shape has changed, and the nails are nice and strong and healthy. So sometimes, very often actually, when people write to me and they say that their nails are very weak and they break very easily, majority of times is two things. I think number one is improper care. So very aggressive manicuring techniques. Number two, I think equally as bad, is just complete lack of care. And then very rarely people actually have naturally weak nails, and this could be due to genetics, poor nutrition. Some medications can also affect your nails. So in those areas, obviously, unfortunately, I cannot help you, but in majority of cases, it's actually those two things that I mentioned: either complete lack of care and not knowing how to take care of your nails, or looking for this miracle product that does not exist, or doing all the incorrect things, unfortunately. So let's look at the other nails. Look at this. The skin around the nails is so nice and healthy, so elastic. The nail plate has lengthened, as you can see here, and it looks nice and strong. There was no breaks, nothing. Okay, and how she got there. So in June 2023, I provided you with some photos. You then made a video explaining and giving advice. I bought the OPI repair product, so the OPI repair mode, cut off all the white edges, so the separated parts, bought a cream with urea. I couldn't find the one that you mentioned where she lives, unfortunately, and started oiling my nails daily with jojoba oil. I bought a little makeup bag to store everything in it, so I always had everything with me on the go. So it's not the miracle product that made the biggest difference, it's just her consistency. She says, my nails have never been this long. They are also a lot stronger, so I want to thank you for the time and your advice. And she sent me these follow-up photos. So this is wonderful, and I also wanted to thank her for allowing me to show her photos. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and the other video with my advice I'm going to link below. Thank you so much. Bye.